everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I have a new wig from Vshow. So I'm just going to start with an unboxing. This is everything that you will get in your packaging. I had a little thief there, but this is everything that you'll get in your packaging. So this is their Brazilian hair, 250% density, and this is their deep wave unit. This wig has so much hair and the curls are super cute. I absolutely loved how this wig came out. So as you guys can see right here, it comes kind of pre-plucked already. So I actually didn't do any additional plucking. I just left it as it is. It could have used a little bit more. I could have plucked it, but I just didn't want to. So, but look at these curls, super beautiful. And I am going to be bleaching the knots and shampooing this wig as well. So you guys will get the full feel for how this unit really is and the curl pattern. And I just want to stress to you all that this curl pattern is super amazing. I honestly have no complaints about this hair. But anyway, so I did bleach with my BW2 powder and my 40 volume developer. I'm just showing you all here how I do it. Now I am not in any way, shape, or form like an expert on doing this. This is just how I do it. So I like to use my my son's old baby spoon. He doesn't use it anymore. He uses regular spoons now. But anyway, his old baby spoon, because it's like flat and it's still kind of a spoon, so it just spreads the bleach on the wig so nicely. So if you have one, try it out. But anyway, so I'm just putting that bleach on the wig to let it sit, and just let it bleach those knots for a while. The knots did great. The shampoo, amazing. Conditioning, amazing. I did get some shedding and tangling, but that's kind of to be expected with this texture of hair. So how the hair is right now, this is after the hair has been shampooed, bleached, conditioned, and then air dried. I always like to let the hair just air dry. I like to let it do its thing, see how the hair is. So after doing all that, I definitely want to say that this wig held up very nicely. Definitely quality, and I honestly, this is just chef's kiss. I love these curls, and this is after the shampoo and condition, because sometimes that curl pattern changes a lot after you do your shampoo and condition, but this one, very nice. So as far as the fit, I do have a larger head, and as you can see how this wig is fitting me now, very nice. It was not tight at all. I actually had a little bit of room as well. So if your head is a little bit larger than mine, you can definitely go ahead and get this one as well. But it wasn't like too much room. It was literally just enough that, like a little bit more, like enough that I could get away with it. So definitely love that. And yeah, I'm just doing a glueless install for you all today. Nothing major, nothing serious. Like I said, I'm not an expert at installing wigs, but this wig to me was super beginner friendly. I loved it. Like I said, I didn't do any more plucking. It's just very nice, very nice, low maintenance. For the hair, I put in a cream, like frizz control type of cream. It wasn't the serum, it was a cream. It was an olive oil brand, and that kind of makes the hair still look wet throughout the day without actually like wetting the hair. So definitely try that out if you have not. But I think I'm just gonna let you guys watch the video for now. I think I've said enough, but again, I love this hair. The links are in the description box if you want to check them out. I would definitely recommend this unit. I absolutely loved it. A+. So let me know what you guys think. And thank you all so much for watching. And I cannot wait to see you in the next one.